Hi, Paul. Good morning.
Good morning, Emily. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm okay, thank you. But I feel a little tired.
Oh, really? Why do you feel tired?
I didn't sleep well last night.
I see. Sleep is very important for health.
Yes, I know. I went to bed late.
Maybe try to sleep earlier tonight?
Yes, I will. How about you? How do you feel today?
I feel good. I slept well.
That's great. Good sleep gives good energy.
Yes, I have good energy today.
Emily, do you have healthy habits?
Yes, I do. I try to eat healthy food.
What do you eat?
I eat vegetables, fruit, and fish.
That sounds good.
Yes, I like simple food. What about you?
I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I eat fast food.
Fast food is okay sometimes, but not too much.
Yes, I agree. I want to eat more vegetables.
Good idea. Vegetables are good for your body. Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk in the park every morning.
That is great. Walking is very good for health.
Yes, and I like the fresh air.
Me too. Fresh air helps me feel relaxed.
Do you do other exercises?
Yes, I do yoga at home.
Yoga sounds nice. Is it hard?
Some poses are hard, but beginner yoga is easy.
Maybe I should try yoga.
Yes, you should. It helps with stress.
Emily, how much water do you drink every day?
I drink about 2 liters of water.
Wow, that is good. I drink only 1 liter.
Maybe drink a little more. Water is important for your body.
Yes, I know. I will try.
Also, don't forget to rest during the day.
Yes, rest is important too.
Yes, short breaks help your body and mind.
I will remember that. Thank you.
Paul, do you feel stress sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I feel stress from work.
What do you do when you feel stress?
I listen to music.
Nice. Music can help.
Yes, soft music helps me relax.
I drink tea when I feel stress.
Tea is good too.
Yes, warm tea makes me calm.
I want to try that.
Paul, I think your health will get better if you sleep early.
Yes, I will sleep early tonight.
And try to drink more water.
I will. Thank you for the tips.
You're welcome. Let's walk again tomorrow.
Yes. See you tomorrow.
See you. Hi again, Paul. How are you feeling now?
I feel a little better, but my head hurts.
Oh no, you have a headache?
Yes, a small headache.
Did you drink enough water today?
Not yet.
Try drinking some water now.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Do you often get headaches?
Sometimes, when I work too much.
Work stress can cause headaches.
Yes, I think that is the reason.
Do you have any other health problems?
Sometimes I get a sore throat.
Oh, do you drink cold drinks?
Yes, I like cold drinks.
Maybe drink warm water instead.
Good idea. Warm water helps my throat.
Do you take medicine when you feel sick?
Only sometimes. I don't like medicine.
Yes, medicine is helpful, but not always needed.
When do you take medicine?
I take medicine when I have a fever.
Fever is not fun.
No, it is not. Rest and water help too.
My headache is still here.
Maybe you should see a doctor.
Do you think so?
Yes, just to be safe.
I don't like going to the doctor.
I understand, but the doctor can help.
You are right.
Do you know a good clinic?
Yes, there is one near my house.
Good. You should go. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I have a headache.
How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning.
I see. Do you feel tired?
Yes, I feel tired, too.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I slept late.
That can cause headaches.
Yes, I think so.
I suggest rest, water, and maybe light medicine.
Okay, thank you.
Also, try to sleep early today.
Yes, I will.
How was the doctor?
Good. The doctor said it is only stress and no sleep.
That is good news.
Yes, I feel better now.
Did you get medicine?
Yes, but only light medicine.
Good.
I will rest more today.
Yes, please rest. Your health is important. Paul, maybe you can make a healthy routine.
A routine? Like what?
Sleep early, drink water, walk every day, eat healthy food,
Yes, that sounds good.
and take small breaks during work.
I will do that.
Your body will thank you.
Yes, I want to feel strong and healthy. Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I will start my new health routine tonight.
Great. Let's talk again tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
See you, Paul. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. I feel better today.
That's great. Did you sleep early last night?
Yes, I went to bed at 10 p.m.
Wow, that's very good.
Yes, and I drank warm water before sleeping.
Nice. Warm water helps the body relax.
I slept very well. I feel fresh now.
Good sleep changes everything. So, what is your new morning routine?
First, I drink a glass of water.
Good start.
Then, I stretch for 5 minutes.
Stretching is great for the muscles.
Yes, and then I walk in the park.
I like that routine. It is simple and healthy.
I want to add 10 minutes of deep breathing.
Deep breathing helps reduce stress.
Yes, I want to feel calm every day.
Did you eat healthy food today?
Yes, I ate eggs and fruit for breakfast.
Good choice.
I want to stop eating too much fast food.
That's a good plan.
Do you have a healthy lunch idea?
Yes, you can eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That sounds good and simple.
Or a salad with fish.
I like fish.
Fish is good for the brain and heart.
Emily, how do you stay motivated?
I write my goals on paper.
Oh, like a list?
Yes, a simple list.
What goals do you write?
Drink water, walk 20 minutes, sleep early.
That helps you remember?
Yes, and I feel happy when I check the list.
I want to make my own list.
Good idea. Small goals help a lot.
Emily, sometimes I feel sad for no reason.
That happens to many people.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to a friend.
Talking helps?
Yes, sharing feelings helps the heart.
I usually stay quiet.
It's okay to talk. You are not alone.
Thank you, Emily. I will try.
Paul, I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I want to be healthy and happy.
And you will, step by step.
Yes, every day, a little better.
That's the spirit.
Let's keep walking together.
Yes, let's do that.